Hey everyone. Happy Friday. I feel like I have a hot mess over here. So, before I get started, I'm going to see if I can invite some people, see if some people want to hang. So, let's see if we can find some people. All right. Hey, mama. Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna wait a couple seconds, not too long, because I don't want this to be boring for the replay watchers. But I have something amazing to show you guys. Hey, Sherry. Seriously, y'all. Amazing. It is like a magic trick, and you're gonna want to watch this, okay? So, what I'm about to show you is the amazingness of our primer spray, our setting spray, and our finishing powder, okay? Hey, Christina. Hey, Angie. Okay, seriously, y'all. Seriously. You're going to want to stick around. You want to see this. So I have actually saw a beauty guide do this, and I was like, nah, this isn't going to work. And it's amazing. And so I kind of stole it from her, sort of. But this little trick to kind of show you just how amazing and how needed these products are. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of dive in. That way I'm not waiting forever, and kind of show you how cool this is. So we are going to start with our primer spray. So y'all know I talk about this all the time. I love our primer spray. It doesn't matter if you use our foundation or not. This primer spray is amazing. It is vitamin based, and over time it'll actually help fill in your pores, which I think is, or not fill in, but reduce the size of your pores. So I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to show you how all these products work together, okay? So I am just going to spritz it on the back of my hand. Just one little spritz, just like that. Now the key to this is to let everything dry. So just as you would use these products on your face, you're going to let it dry before you move on to the next step, right? So I'm going to let it dry before I move on. How's everyone doing tonight? Any big plans? Obviously, as you can see, I'm literally doing nothing but playing in makeup tonight, so hey. Hey, Michelle. Okay, so now that that is dry, I'm going to take some makeup. So I'm going to take our foundation. I'm actually using a shade darker than my skin tone, so that way you can see it on my hand. So I'm just going to take a little turn, and I am literally just going to put like this little dot kind of, well, not dot, but circle. So you can see that, right? You're in Iowa. That's awesome. I'm assuming for your husband's work. Okay. So you see that's there. So this is like putting foundation on our face, right? So I always talk about how I love setting our makeup, right? So whenever I put foundation on, whenever I put foundation, concealer, you know, y'all see I set it with our setting powder, right? So we have a translucent setting powder. And so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set it just like I would on my face. So just like that, just setting it. So now we've set our face, right? So now that we have primed it, we've put on our foundation, hey Ashley, and we have set it with some setting powder, okay? So when we finish our makeup, we always set it with some setting spray, right? So I'm going to use our Time Setter setting spray. So y'all know I talk about our setting spray. I'm telling you, it is gold. It is seriously gold, okay? So we've got two different ones. We've got our Oil Strike and our Time Setter. Our Time Setter is going to have a little bit more of a glow to your finish. And then the Oil Strike is going to give you more of a matte finish. So I'm just going to give this a spritz. So from here, it's key to let it dry, okay? So we're going to let it dry really, really good before I show you just how amazing it is, okay? So while I'm waiting for it to dry and not just sitting here boring you, I thought I would show you how I've been loving doing my hair recently. So let me show you that real quick. excuse me. So I saw somebody do this the other day, and it's super cute and it's super easy. So, still letting this dry, y'all. So for those of you that really want to achieve the braid without actually doing a braid, this is for you. So I love taking my hair, and so I will kind of part it over. I may even take like another little piece, but that piece is kind of crazy. So I take my hair like this, and I put it into 2 sections, okay? And then I just twist it. So instead of doing a braid with 3 different sections, I literally just take 2 sections and twist. I'm not doing anything fancy, but it kind of gives it the appearance of a braid, which I think is really cute, but it's super, super simple. So you're literally just adding a little bit of hair and just twisting. So you can do this as far as you want down your hair. I don't typically go that far. And then I literally just kind of like push it up a little bit. And I just bobby pin it. And I think it's super cute and simple. And then I just kind of pull out a little bit, just like that. You don't have enough hair for that. Aw. I'm sorry, Michelle. So I love it because it does kind of give like the illusion of a braid, but it's super easy. It's nothing too crazy. And you kind of have that cute little like twist. What do you all think of that? Isn't that so cute? Okay. So I'm trying to, it's just a tad bit still tacky. That almost filled up our time. So this is kind of how I do my makeup anyway. So like if I, the finishing spray is the last part of my makeup routine. And so, obviously you're going to let it dry. You're just going to let it sit in your face. You're going to let it dry. So before I were to move on to maybe put some lipstick on, or do anything like that, I just kind of like finish doing my hair or whatever, while it is drying. So let me make sure this is fully dry. Feels pretty good. Okay. I hope this works, y'all, on camera, because I did it literally just a few minutes ago, and it did work, but I'm kind of nervous doing it on camera for y'all and like make me look like a fool. But okay, so now I'm going to rub my hand to show you that it's not gonna budge, okay? So I'm nervous, y'all. Okay. Look at that. And I'm rubbing pretty hard, right? Do you see it's still a circle? It's not going anywhere. Isn't that amazing? Tell me that's not like a magic trick, right? Now, obviously, if I were to sit here and just go, like, it's eventually going to come off. But you're not going to do that to your face, right? When you put makeup on, you're not going to sit there and rub to get it off. But this is where, like, what's awesome about it is think about like how many times we touch our face during the day, right? If we just sit here and we just kind of like, you know, rest our head on our hand, you know, just throughout the day, you know, we are touching our face, right? And we always wonder like, is our makeup going to stay on all day? When I tell you that when you use these products, your makeup's going to stay on all day, I'm being true. Like, this is awesome. So look, like that's just proof right there. Proof. Is that not so cool, y'all? Like, tell me I'm not crazy over here. So, like I said, just those 3 products, you know, your primer, your setting powder, and your finishing spray. 3 products. Those are the 3 products to get you this all-day stay. Look how awesome that is. Not budging, right? So, anyway, that's all I wanted to show you tonight. I just wanted to show you so that y'all don't think I'm just trying to, okay, Michelle, talk to you later. I don't want y'all to think that I'm just like trying to sell you products that don't work or making it seem like these products are like better than what they are. No, they really are that amazing. That amazing. And so when I tell you like, you need it, you need it. Just one more time, just for show. Look at that. Anyways, that's all I had to show you. So if you have any questions about how awesome these products are, and want to get them in your life, let me know. And yeah, and I hope you liked my cute little little braid. I don't know. It's just been one of those days, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. So please, please, please share this with all of your friends and family. It helps me out a lot. Show them how awesome this magic trick is. So have a good night and a good weekend, and I'll talk to y'all later.